Experiment take 2. Josh, get the vinegar in the pot. Hold it, that's it.
On there.
So that's that in, gentle tap. Now a couple of bits of powder.
A couple.
Couple of bits of powder.
May need some help.
Do you want me to do this bit? No, go on, you do it. I'll tell you if it's gonna. And pour it. Squeeze. Let go. Let go. Yeah, I know, but it's not. Okay. Lid back on. Lid's just there.
Did I just say make a bath?
No, you heard Lucy, I think. Okay, now next bit.
Small spoon here.
Is this the dry one?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just spoon in a little bit at a time, yeah? So I'll hold it. Just a little bit light, maybe about that much or so at a time, but do it quickly. Go on then. Make sure it goes all in. Go on and do another one then. Quick, do another one then. Take a picture then. Okay, stop.
Right, move everything out of the way. Just like perfect. Now we need some cloud effects.
Right, now here it comes.
The big moment you've all been waiting
It's the
for.
big moment, yeah. Any time.
Any minute now.
Any minute now.
Any minute now. Oh yeah, we did give it a shake like that.
I didn't get to see it.
I'm going to clean